Mishimelon.
Remember the circle? Not bad. Put the circles together. You did an awesome job here too. Wow! Which one of these items are round like a circle? You did so well!
Kitties, amazing!
Let's help Mr. Circle to get home. Gather all the closest circles.
Wow!
That turned out great! Thank you very much. Let's see if you remember the square. Well done! Now, pick a square and move it to its right spot. Yeehaw! Find a square item and move it to its right spot. I see that you handled this task well. Great job! Shape Master needs to collect items. Can you find all the triangles? Great! Now find some items shaped like triangles. Perfect! You did it! Oh, look, there's more! What a great collection! Shape Master is super happy! 3 corners and 3 sides. What is this? Not bad! Let's make this a little more difficult. You did an awesome job here too! Wow! Can you find a triangle-shaped object? You aced all the tasks! You are so good at this! It looks like the shapes are split. Let's put the 2 pieces together. It's a circle. It's a square. It's a triangle. That looks so good. Great job. It's time to organize the ovals. Woohoo! Wasn't that easy? How about now? Put the oval in the right spot. You did an awesome job here too. Wow! You need to move the oval item to its right spot. You aced all the tasks. You are so good at this. It looks like this watch is missing some shapes with numbers. Let's move the shapes with numbers to the right spots. Now we can find out the time again. Great job! That's an oval. Let's see what we can do with this. is a submarine! Yoo-hoo! Look at all these ovals. Find all the ovals. Woohoo! Thanks for helping me. Oh, there are a few more. Hooray! That's right. Can you do it again? Oh, great! You found that one too. Well done. I think someone let all the rectangles out. Find all the rectangles. Cool stuff. You got them all. Wait a second. There are still a few left. So quick. Great work. Oh, look, there's more. Great work! You managed to catch them all. Wow! These are shapes. Let's find all these shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did great. Bimmy loves finding shapes. Bimmy is playing with a ball. This ball is round. Bimmy is opening a box. This box is square. Bimmy is eating pie. This piece of pie is a triangle. Bimmy is looking in the mirror. The mirror is oval. Bimmy has a nice picture. This picture is a rectangle. Bimmy loves shapes. Could you help me color these shapes? Color the circle red. Color the square green. Color the triangle blue. Color the diamond orange. Color the star purple. You did it! You painted all the shapes in the right colors.
Look, this wallpaper is missing a piece. Move the correct pattern shape to an empty spot.
Hooray!
Move the correct pattern shape to an empty spot.
That was easy.
Only one left.
Cool.
You restored all the wallpaper. Well done.
Has the Shape Master told you about the rectangle? Of course he has. Move the rectangle to the right spot. Well done! Now it gets a little more difficult. Move the rectangle to the right spot. Great work! Move the rectangle to the right spot. You did it! Keep it up!
Look at all these shapes on the screen. Can you remember them all? Now, one of the shapes is missing. Can you find the missing shape and tap on it? Fabulous! Look at all these shapes on the screen. Can you remember them all? Now, one of the shapes is missing. Can you find the missing shape and tap on it? Good going! Look at all these shapes on the screen. Can you remember them all? Now, one of the shapes is missing. Can you find the missing shape and tap on it? Good going! Fantastic job! You're a little genius!
Let's see what we can draw with this rectangle. This is a giraffe! Yoo-hoo! The picture is almost complete. Only a little left. Move the pieces of the picture to their right spot. Great job! It's a whale. There's something telling me we should tap everything that's a heart. Tap all the hearts. Great work, friend. Ready for another try? Find more hearts. Hooray! That's right. Oh, look, there's more. Oh, my. That was so nice and quick. Items can be of different forms, but you already knew that. Let's try to find the right ones. Pick a heart-shaped item and move it to its right spot. Great! That was a heart-shaped cookie. Pick an item shaped like a plus and move it to its right spot. Wow, those are Band-Aids. Well done. Now pick an item shaped like a star and move it to its right spot. It's a starfish. You did so well. Great job.